Hi, this is Haley.
And my name is Johanna, and this is our project for Presentation 1 on Terms and Connectors. Our presentation is on the case of the people of California v. Manson. The first part of our presentation is the case citation. The citation that we have chosen is for a case called People v. Manson, 61 Cal App 3D 102, California 1977. People v. Manson is the case title. 61 is the volume. Cal App, standing for California Appellate, is the federal court. 3D means the third edition. 102 is the page number. And California 1977, Cal 1977, means the deciding court and the year decision was made. Now we're going to navigate to Westlaw and find the case, which we already have pulled up and zoomed in for everyone's readability. You can find the title of the case here. The volume you can find here. You can find the court that it was located in here. The edition is the next thing behind that, which is 3D, and you can find it here. The page number where the case starts is located further in the document, so the easiest way to navigate to that is typing in your search bar and searching the page number 102, which we are highlighting right now. And the last item of information is the deciding court and the year, which is found right here.
Terms and connectors used in Westlaw are the ampersand, the \s, \p, \n, and quotation marks. For the first search, we are going to use the ampersand. If we go to Westlaw and go to the search bar, we can enter spawn and line. For instance, in this case, press enter, and then the case will come up as the second one, as People versus Manson. And if we go and find the word spawn, which appears several times in the document, but we could just get it right here. Spawn appears several times in the document, and then lying is going to appear right here. Springer is lying. Hyman was lying on the floor, and then about 20 people lying on the floor as well. So both words appear several times in the document. Ampersands are used several times in the searches and can be used as a wider variety of a search, and it searches for both terms.
The next search that we're going to run uses the \s. This searches for words in the same sentence. We're going to navigate to Westlaw, and then in the search bar, we are going to enter lie, \s, preserve, \s, lime. This case should be the first one to pull up because it searches for the words lie, preserve, and lime. All of the words will appear in the document when we search in the search bar to find these words.
The sentence that it is under says Manson asked DiCarlo if lie or lime would get rid of the body. DiCarlo said lie would get rid of it, lime would preserve it. The next item that we're going to be searching is the \p. This searches for words in the same paragraph. If we go back to Westlaw, go up to the search bar, and we enter Colt, \p, telephone, \p, and stamped, and we press enter, and then the case should be the first one to pull up, People versus Manson, and this comes up because it searches for the words Colt, telephone, and stamped all in the same paragraph. Right here it says the Foot Locker has the words Donald Jerome stamped on the top, and that is in the paragraph, as well as Shea owned a matched set of Colt 45s, which he carried in an attached case bearing the letters Reverend Donald Shea.
The next search that we're going to do involves the backslash, and this is the last backslash terms and connector that we use. This searches for terms within a certain number of each other as long as the number is between 1 and 255. We're going to navigate back to Westlaw and go to the search engine. And we will enter bandaged backslash 14 ear. We forgot the R, so we're going back to navigate and I do that search again. And this search will be the fourth result to come up for us. And then when we go to the find part and enter this phrase again, it searches for the word bandaged within 14 words of ear. And this is the sentence that it uses. Brunner bandaged Manson's finger and went to the living room where Atkins was bandaging Hedman's ear.
Okay, the final thing we are going to search on is quotation marks. The quote from this case that we will use is a 9mm bullet was recovered from under the sink, which could have been fired from a 9mm. If we go to Westlaw and we're going to use the quotation marks search for the terms in the order in which they appear. And here we will enter quotation mark have been fired from a 9mm, and then in quotation mark, press enter, and the case should be the second one to pop up. Scroll down, and here's the case. And you can enter any of the words from the quotation. We're going to enter 9mm, and we're going to go down, and there pops up the quote.
All right, well, thank you guys for watching our presentation. We look forward to looking at everyone else's presentations and see how you guys learned about terms and connectors as well. I hope everyone has a great rest of their week, and have a good day.
Bye.